Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple but very delicious and moist chocolate cake. Let's get started. So in a bowl, cream together 5 whole eggs and 3 cups of granulated sugar. Once the egg and the sugar gets creamy and light in color, add in 1 cup buttermilk, half a cup of melted cooled butter, and 2 tablespoons of espresso or instant coffee diluted in water. The little bit of coffee will help the chocolate cake have a deeper chocolate flavor. Mix everything together until well combined. In the same bowl, sift 3 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 1/4 cups of cocoa powder. Start mixing everything in low speed, then add half a cup of water. Mix again in low speed and add half a cup of water until everything is well combined. Make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure all the ingredients are mixed in. Grease your baking pan with oil, then line the bottom with parchment paper. Tap the pan in the counter a few times to help release a few air bubbles, then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Cool your cake in a cooling rack, then it's ready to be frosted and decorated. And that's our delicious and moist chocolate cake. Thank you guys for joining me today. See you in the next video.